Today we are going to see a topic on different types of production system as a part of operations management subject. This topic is very fundamental in understanding the overall nature of operations management. So there are different types of systems used worldwide. So let us see what are the different types of production system. The production systems are generally divided into three types: make to stock production system, make to order production system, and then assemble to order production system. So what is make to stock production system? In this system, the manufacturer stocks the finished goods in inventory for an immediate delivery so that customers can receive the products in a short time frame. The system also ensures immediate delivery of good quality, reasonably priced, particularly off the shelf standard products. The system implies the manufacture of products based on a well-known and predictable demand pattern. So only if the manufacturer knows the demand pattern, they can able to follow the system. So what are the situations for a company to follow this make to stock production system? Only if they have a fairly constant and predictable demand, they can able to follow the system. And in this system, the products are very few and they are standardized. There are shorter delivery time expected by the customers. So products are having higher shelf life. Then follow the second method, make to order production system. So what is the difference between this system with respect to make to stock system? So in this system, the companies make or manufacture products after the receipt of the firm order from the customer. So only if the customer makes the commitment with respect to their specification and the payment, the production system will start. So the production activities will be initiated only after the confirmation of the orders, and the products are not supplied from the already produced stocks. So that's the reason why make to order is a demand responsive production system. So what are the situations for a company to follow make to order production system? So when the company's products are based on the customer specification, they can follow the system. If the customers are ready to wait till the order is being processed, then the system is suitable. In this system, the product is non-standardized and most of the time it is very expensive to store. So when there are several product options available for a company to store, they can follow this particular make to order production system. Moving on to the third system, why assemble to order system? What is this difference between assemble to order with respect to make to stock and make to order? So when a number of alternative combinations or options are available, particularly for customers, as in the case of automobiles, consumer electronics and computers, and customers are expecting quicker delivery of the products, so they are not ready to wait till the entire production happens. So what happened is the companies produce the components well in advance, and when the customer order comes in, they assemble the products and deliver it to the customers. So when the customer places the order stating the preferred components, only the assembling is done and the product is delivered immediately to the customers. So it is also like a make to order system where the order is executed only after the confirmation from the customer side, but only thing is here the parts are assembled and delivered to the customers. And moving on to a small topic of what is difference between make to stock and make to order. In make to stock, the product range is very low, and in make to order the product range is very high. But in the case of volume, in make to stock the volume is very high, but in make to order volume is very low. Lead time, the production time and the product reaching the customer's hands is very low in make to stock, but whereas in the case of make to order it is very high. And in the case of customer producer interface, there are very limited or sometimes it's a very distant interface between the customer and producer in make to stock system, But whereas in make to order system, since the production happens based on the customer's specification, the interface is very high. On handling of fluctuations in demand, in the case of make to stock production system, the safety stocks which is kept as a buffer system, and in the case of make to order system, the planning of excess capacity or raw material stock is always used. So in the case of planning happens as an end item forecast in make to stock, but in the case of make to order, backlogs and marketing intelligence reports are acting as a planning tool. So if you take inventory level is always higher in make to stock, but whereas inventory level is very low in make to order system. Product category and cost in make to stock system, standardized products with lower price per unit, but whereas in the case of make to order, it's a special products and high cost per unit. Hope you all understood the basic nature of production systems and the situations for a company to follow the system. Thanks for watching. Keep learning and growing.